Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Today, Monday, August the 28th, we are looking at the SpyBot Suite Scalper. This is part of the SpyBot Suite that you lease and it comes with. And today, $2,287.60 right up here. And that is after commissions. So if you would have had enough in your account to do this, then this is what you would end up with, less your commissions. We only traded one contract with this, so if you are a high roller, you can just add the number of contracts, and that's what you would end up making. So if you did 10, that's 20. What's that? 22,000 instead of 2,200. If you did 10 contracts, so the money is there. It's just a matter of you turning it on. So let's take a look at some of these trades. There's good trades and bad trades. The bot does not always win every trade, but we have it set up to where your losses are minimal. Just take, for instance, this one up here. You are, what is that? From there to there. So you're looking at $175 loss on that one. It's not that big of a drawdown. Most of the losses are usually around under 100. The majority of them are under 100. So you're going to have a loss, and what we're looking for is a $300 profit target. Now, you can change your profit targets where you want. Like if you see this one and you think it's going to go all the way up and you have a zone up here or something, you can move your profit target on up and make that extra money. But we don't do it. We look for $300 and we take the money and we go. Come back over here, got some more. This traded again all night long. And the settings that we have on here, I've had on my website for quite a while. We run it daily. It works very well. The money that you can make on it is up to you as far as how many contracts you want to run. So we go back here, we can see that we turned this on, I think it was about 9:30 last night. So this first trade was 15 till 11. So right here, we missed this trade here. Actually, it wouldn't have even entered here based on the signals. But I turned it on, I think around 9:30 or so Eastern time. And this is what we ended up with. The way this trades, it trades using the Man of War indicator. And this indicator comes with the SpyBot suite. And the scalper comes with it. And you have the angler, initial balance, yo-yo, and confirmation. Now, if we throw confirmation on here, which I'm not going to do it on this chart, but if you throw confirmation on, then it will allow you to be more more confirmed to get into the trade as far as confident is the word I'm looking for, more confident to enter a trade. Now I'm getting ready to add that to this bot, and that way it can enter it. We talked about it today, so I'm going to go ahead and add that to it. And so in a day or two, I'll have that in there, and I think we can actually get even better signals than what this is. We figured it up today, and if we had done that, then we would be up just over $6,000 in profit on one contract from 9:30 Eastern time. $6,010, I think is what it was. So it actually makes even more money than what this one does. So we're going to go ahead and add that and put that into the SpyBot suite. That will be part of this right here. This bot, the same bot, just a different signal on it. And once we get that, get it released and everything, make sure everything's good, we'll get it released to everybody. I'm thinking probably Thursday or Friday I may have that one released. But for now, who wouldn't mind having a couple extra grand off of one contract? Pretty good odds. If you would like to know more about this and how you go about getting it, then you can visit my website. When you visit my website, get it pulled up here. When you visit my website, you can go to the SpyBot suite, and when you click on that, that will show what you need to do to get in. So this right here is the lease. It is a lease only. There are no discount coupons or codes or anything for that. You go in here, and with that, you get all of the live training, the live trading. Yes, I trade live. Today, I was trading up to 4 contracts live, manual trading, and showing people how to get in and stuff. A lot of people made money today just following what we were doing. So You go in there, you do that. If you have questions, you go to your contact. When you go to your contact page, fill this information out, and that will come directly to me. I'll be the one that answers the emails, or if you need a phone call, put that in and I'll give you a shout. Make sure that you put a spam filter in your email, because some people have said my email goes to your spam. So if you just add this as a filter not to go to spam, then you'll have the answer. So make sure you do that. The funded accounts. Will this work with a funded account? Absolutely. So you come down here, you click one of these. This one has a coupon of 50%, and this one is 30%. I need to change this on the website, but it's 30%. If you click this, it will automatically, it's 30 or 40%. It will automatically give you that discount when you click on this. This is some of the differences between them. You can read through that and decide. If you're looking for something more long-term, Apex has less money. I have another one I'm going to add on here, and it actually does a little bit better in my opinion. So again, it does work with the funded accounts. It works with live accounts, all that. The only thing you need to do is click the SpyBot suite, sign up down here, and you get started immediately. You'll get emails, the downloads, everything once you lease the SpyBot suite. You'll get everything immediately. But if you have any questions, let me know. Be happy to help you. Again, $22.87.60. Trading this thing since about 9:30 last night, so almost the whole session. If I would have started it earlier, there was actually more money on there, but I won't talk about that because we don't have it for proof. But it would have actually done better if I'd turned it on from the beginning. And here you go. If you're interested, let me know. We'll get you signed up today and get you trading immediately. You also get the Discord room. So like right here, it does say auto trading bots, indicators, live trading, and Discord. You get all of that included with the SpyBot suite. Let me know how I can help. You guys have a great day. See you tomorrow.